The salmon runs were not in great shape. Lemhi County is the furthest inland migration for the Chinook salmon. They come all the way from the ocean, all the way to the upper Lemhi Valley. So while we are a long ways from the ocean, we're critical habitat for spawning and rearing and for the next generation of salmon.
Hi, I'm Jen Smith, Executive Director at Lemhi Regional Land Trust.
And I'm Charli Williams. I'm the Communications and Outreach Manager at Lemhi Regional Land Trust.
Here we are at Pine Creek Ranch. This is an incredibly large-scale restoration project with the goals to benefit salmon and steelhead recovery efforts in the valley. These kind of habitat projects really help support rearing habitat so that the baby fish, once they come out of the gravel, they have a good spot where they can grow big, get fat, so when they head out to the ocean, they're in the best quality possible. Really what we're trying to do is increase the sinuosity, or how much the river actually bends and curves, to create more habitat that has areas that have differing speeds of the water. These natural bends are what's going to help improve the habitat for fish. I think what makes us really hopeful at Lemhi Regional Land Trust is our relationships with our landowners. They care deeply about this land. They've been here, many of them, multiple generations, some of them even homesteaded these lands. So they are the greatest current stewards of these lands. They want to do what's right.
Productive working agricultural lands are also healthy lands for fish and wildlife. So these ranchers already knew long before this funding started coming to our valley that they could benefit these fish and wildlife, and they could also continue to improve the productivity of their working ranches. So it actually wasn't anything that anybody had to be talked into. They already knew they could do it. They just needed the opportunity.
Those projects that were facilitated by and completed by Lemhi Regional Land Trust with support from local contractors and all of our local partners, those are the projects that we're the most excited about.
Yeah, I'm absolutely proud of what we do. I come from a 7th generation ranching family, so when I had the opportunity to come back to the community where I've lived since I was 12 and make a difference, I believe that's deeply important. I enjoy what I do, and it's exciting to be able to make a difference in your own community.
Everyone cares about what the future holds and what we can do today to help benefit future generations of not only fish, not only wildlife, but also humans, thinking about our kids, our grandkids, how they can still be in this valley, be proud of what we've done today for what we leave behind for them.